In today's video, I'm going to talk about what it actually takes to make 10k a month in 2025. Now, a lot of people think making 10k a month is impossible or very, very difficult to do. Well, I'm here to tell you it's actually not. Now, this will work for anyone, right? If you're a total beginner, or even if you have some experience in what I'm about to show you, literally anyone can do this. Now, just before I continue the video, if you're new here, let me just give you a quick background on who I am. So my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai with no savings. All I had was a dream to make money online and live in Dubai. Now, fast forward over 12 months later, I now run a 6-figure online coaching business. And it was all possible thanks to the business model, which I'm going to show you today. And this business model is so powerful, I made 10k in my first 30 days doing it. And I'm going to break it down in this video and show you guys how you can do the same. So first, let me explain the business model, right? Because you're probably used to drop shipping or affiliate marketing or making videos on TikTok. This business model is none of those things. So what business model am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about starting your own coaching program. Now, what is a coaching program? How does it work? How can you use it to make you well over 10k a month? Well, essentially a coaching program is teaching your knowledge and skills to high ticket clients. And the beauty of this business model is that any beginner can do it. All you need is a skill, right? And everyone has a skill. Now, you might be sat there thinking you don't have a skill. And to be honest, it's okay to think like that, because I've had a lot of clients who, before joining my program said the exact same thing to me. They all said they don't have a skill, they don't have a skill. And a lot of them have become really, really profitable. All because we work together to identify skills that they didn't even know they had. So just like you, right? You could be sitting there with a skill that is worth 10, 20, 30k a month. The only issue is that you don't even know about it yet. And all it takes is for you to unlock it so you can actually start seeing that money in real life. Oh, and by the way, if you do need any help with, starting your own coaching program where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and basically scale you to 10k a month within 3 months of working with me, make sure you click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. Now, let me give you some examples of skills, right, that people actually use. For example, there's a woman here in Dubai that teaches people how to knit. She makes just under 20 grand a month. You've got someone teaching mindset for entrepreneurs. He makes around 100 grand a month. You've got people in the fitness niche, so they teach people how to get into shape. These people are making around 70, 80k a month. Not only that, but I also have clients. For example, I've got someone in the crypto niche. I've got someone in the marketing niche. I've got someone in the helping special needs children niche. Literally any niche will work, because all you've got to do is leverage that skill, right? So let's say you've identified your skill, right? The next step that you need to do is identify your deliverables. Now, your deliverables are quite important, right? You need to find out exactly how long it will take you to teach that skill to someone else. So if you want to test it, you can try it on like a family member, or you can try it on a friend. My point is, you should know exactly how long it takes you on average to teach someone else. Once you know roughly how long it's going to take you, you can then derive your deliverables from that. So for example, you can have like the generic 3-month coaching program and you can teach them 1 hour a week, which is in total of 12 hours that you're going to give your client. And these calls are literally one-to-one calls, which are like, like through Zoom or Google Meets, which can be done online and anywhere in the world. And also you're going to get clients from all over the world. The next step is pricing. So you need to know exactly how much you're going to charge. Now, a lot of people go wrong here, right? A lot of people charge like $500 or even $1,000. Again, it depends on your niche, right? I wouldn't say that like there's a specific number you should charge, but what I would say is that you should charge high ticket. Now, high ticket prices are anywhere around $2,500, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. Yes, you heard me correctly. You could even charge $7,000. I'll give you an example. So earlier I mentioned someone doing a mindset program for entrepreneurs. They're making around 100k a month. The reason they're making 100k a month is because they charge 10k a month and they have 10 clients. So you can see it's not that many clients for them to make 100k a month. 10 clients paying him 10k a month. And bear in mind, he's targeting entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs that he is targeting are making upwards of 100k a month. So for them, 10k is absolutely nothing. That's the equivalent of you getting paid $2,000 a month and paying like $200 a month. It's not a massive deal. And this just shows that if you target the right people with your niche, you can make some serious money. So for example, if you charge $5,000, well, you'll only need 2 clients to make 10k a month. Think about that for a second, right? Only 2 people need to pay you 5 grand for you to make 10k a month. When you break it down like that, it makes sense, right? It's actually quite easy to do. And trust me, don't think that no one's going to pay you $5,000. There are people with money willing to pay you $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for your program if it makes sense for them. And this is why you've got to target the right people, right? And I'll go into it later on in the video exactly how you can find people and how you can actually get people to, join your coaching program. But the main point is that you need to target the right people. So if your program is for entrepreneurs, then yeah, you need to target entrepreneurs. If you've got like a fitness program for like busy dads, then you target busy dads. Or if your program is for complete beginners, well, you should target your program for complete beginners. Whoever your program program is for, you need to have like a clear ICP on who you're targeting. So I'd recommend writing down your ideal customer profile, find out exactly what these people do, what their problems are, what they're actually looking for. That way you're able to, find out exactly how you can position your program to help these people. Now, once you've got your ideal customer profile written down, once you know exactly who you're targeting and your pricing, your deliverables, and obviously your skill, then the next step would be create a YouTube channel. Yes, you've heard me correctly. This is where you're going to get your leads from. You're going to create videos around your niche. And when it comes to creating video ideas, it's not really going to be that difficult because you know the problems of your ICP, you know the mindset, you know exactly what they want. So you can make really, really good videos in your niche around your ideal customer profile. And this is extremely important because you want to try and target the right people, right? And when you make these videos, all you've got to do is provide value, talk about their problems and how you can solve them. Exactly like what I'm doing right now. So as I mentioned, I run an online coaching business where I teach others how to start their own coaching program, scale it to 10K a month by leveraging their skills to high ticket clients. So again, just a quick one. If you do need any help with that, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And just like that, when you're filming your videos, make sure to have a clear CTA, which tells people to, book in a call with you. So the link that you have in your description will either be like a Calendly link, or you can create a whole landing page and get people to go there where there would be like a VSL and a book a call button. That way you can send the traffic that you get on your videos to a particular place where they can book in a call with you. Now I'm going to explain one thing about YouTube, right? Views do not matter. Like I've made several videos, right? And sometimes the videos with the lower views have made me more money. For example, this video over here just got me under 2,000 views. Then I've got this video over here that got me only 70 views. And yes, this video with 70 views made me more money than this video with 2,000 views, which just shows, right, that you don't need a ton of views to make money. All you need to do is just make an effort and start, because a lot of you guys are like scared to get in front of a camera, right? And you need to get out of that. You really need to get out of your comfort zone, because you got to understand, you're not going to make 10K in your comfort zone. You have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. And it's something I've learned over the years. I've become so comfortable being uncomfortable, because to a lot of people, getting in front of a camera and filming is like daunting. But over time, as you're filming, as you're learning, it becomes really, really easy. So get out of your comfort zone, start filming videos, and make sure to make videos around your niche so you can attract the right clients. Because when you're making these videos, you're not trying to attract viewers, you are trying to attract buyers. And this is a mistake I made for a long time on YouTube, where I was just chasing views. You do not need to chase views. All you need to do is make videos for your ICP, because you just need the right person to watch your videos who will then buy your program. Now after that, when you're consistently posting videos, what's going to happen is you're going to start getting calls booked. Now when that happens, all you've got to do is jump on that call, speak to them, try to find out as much information of them as you can, find out their current situation, ask niche related questions as well. All you're doing here is qualifying your customer, because you want to make sure that this person is someone you can help. You don't want to sign someone that you can't help, because even if they're providing the money, you don't want to get in a situation where they don't put in the work and then they leave like a negative review at the end of it. You only want to work with qualified, proper people. Now let's say they've qualified, right? So you've asked them questions, you've asked them niche related questions, they've answered correctly. The next step would be to show them a presentation. So all you need to do is just create a presentation talking about yourself, talking about what you've achieved. If you've got any client testimonials, you can add that as well. And then you talk about how your program can solve their problem. After that, you reveal your price. The potential client will then ask you questions. You might also need to objection handle. So make sure you're prepared for any objections, right? So for example, price, or I need to ask my wife, or I need to think about it. Make sure to have these answers ready. It's always a good tip to prepare for these things before they happen. And if you want like a full sales training video, then make sure you leave it down in the comments below. And then after that, let's say the client is happy to join your program. Well, you then send them a payment link on the call, and then they'll pay you straight away. And boom, you've made your first $5,000 or whatever you want to charge for your program. And literally it's as simple as that. And now all you've got to do is fulfill your deliverables. So for example, if it's a 3-month program where you work with them for 1 hour a week, well, that's what you'll do. If it's like a 2-month program where you work with them for 1 hour a week, well, that's what you do. Whatever your deliverables are, you're going to now fulfill them. And just like that, you can make some serious money and make well over 10K a month. Guys, a lot of you complicate making 10K a month. It's actually very, very simple. Again, if you need any help with doing this and scaling to 10K a month, you can book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description below. Honestly, guys, anyone can do this, right? The problem is a lot of people have a broken mindset because they don't believe it is possible. Now, if that does sound like you, then make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.